Masala toast is a typical Mumbai street food and it's loaded with flavors and it's an excellent sandwich to have as an evening snack or for lunch. Now this has a nice potato filling. I have tried to recreate the sandwich for you guys. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Pressure cook the potatoes for about 4 whistles on medium flame. The potatoes are cooked beautifully. Remove the skin and chop it roughly. Next, I'm going to make the aloo masala. For this, take a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Saute till the onions are transparent. Add the boiled cut up potatoes. Mix the potatoes. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. I'm going to just mash the potatoes a little. Turn off the stove. This I'm going to squeeze the juice of half lemon and add finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. Now that the potato filling is ready, next I'm going to make the sandwich. I've taken 2 slices of white sandwich bread. I'm going to apply butter on both the slices. Now I've taken unsalted butter. This is softened butter. So make sure you leave it out at room temperature before you apply the butter. Spread it evenly on all sides of the bread. Apply the minced coriander chutney to both the slices. Make sure you spread it out evenly. So once this is done, you can add about 2 tablespoons of the potato mixture. Make sure the filling is nice and thick. To this I'm going to add finely chopped capsicum. Now you can either chop them or slice them nice and thin. I'm just going to add some chopped capsicum to give it a little crunch. Next I'm going to place the onion rings. Next place the tomato slices. Next, I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala powder. Next, place a slice of cheese. So now I'm going to slightly toast the sandwich on a tawa. Heat the tawa, add a little butter. Place the prepared sandwich onto the tawa. Gently press the sandwich. Keep the flame on medium and toast the sandwich. I'm going to apply a little butter on the top slice. Once it's toasted on one side, gently flip it to the other. Hold it and gently flip it. Make sure the sandwich is toasted on both sides. You can see it's got a lovely golden brown color. Once you've toasted the sandwich, remove it from the tawa. Cut the sandwich and garnish it with some save. You can enjoy the sandwich with some nice save or with green chutney or ketchup by the side. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.